was amazing.
I'm the real treat.
Very jealous.
Excuse me.
You see, G is the snack.
Excuse me, you must.
So good morning vlog. Exciting day today. I'm going through to Pretoria because my good friend Angie is starting up a catering business for varsity students, kind of homemade meals, and we're going to taste her meals. But first thing first, I gotta go to the dentist. You think I'm gonna have to get fillings? It's really funny. We're in the mall shopping for sunglasses. Okay, I'm driving now. Went to the shops, went to the dentist. As far as the dentist goes, not the best trip I've ever had there. I had my first ever filling today at age 21. Had a bit of a cavity on the top of my top right of my mouth, so that was unpleasant, but all fixed. And I also got a bite plate because I've been grinding my teeth at night. So all in all, not too bad. And then just went to the shops with my mom quickly, had some lunch, but now off to Pretoria to go see Angie's wonderful new delicious treats that she's gonna bake for her catering business. So let's go see what's up there. Cue the nice travel montage.
To discover the home's hidden flaws, you need to know whether they are cosmetic imperfections or structural inadequacy.
You guys are so cute. Look at the excitement. Hey, thank you, boy.
Now you can start the interview.
Yes. So you're starting up a bakery?
Yes, I'm gonna make some things, and then if you guys want to order, you can buy some, and then I will make them.
What type of things are you making? I mean, I've tried them all, but tell the vlog. I'll overlay some lovely images here.
So like date balls and chocolate truffles and chocolate chunk cookies. What else is there? Brownies. Well, the brownies are very good.
They are tasty.
And then lavender honey oat cookies, which sound weird, but taste. I think they taste really good.
They were nice, yeah, I agree.
And then I'm also gonna sell like freshly homemade cooked bread.
Oh, you're doing bread as well?
Bread.
That's lovely.
And some like muffins, like maybe banana muffins or blueberry muffins. And then I don't know. As I progress through the business, I might add some more things. And
that's really cool. And are you like aiming at students?
Yeah, kind of gonna aim at students. I think that it's a good opportunity to try something new. And I enjoy baking, and if I say so myself, I'm good at baking.
I think so, yeah.
So yeah, mainly aiming at students in the Pretoria area. So if you are in the Pretoria area, order some goodies.
That's good. Do you have a name for your business?
Yeah, it's the Goodies Train.
The Goodies Train.
Goodies Train. Like a choo-choo.
Nice, man.
Like a train. So yeah.
So if you want any of these goods, contact Angie.
Yes.
All I can see is James's ass. If you want some of that as well.
Hey, no.
Yum.
You would, yeah. I mean, how do you have your work?
Good morning. It is Monday morning today, and this is my last really hard week of the semester. I'm hoping, at least. This is the last week where I have a whole lot of assignments and practicals due. Today I have an electromagnetic compatibility class test, which I'm just busy doing some studying for. It's quite interesting, actually. It's like this section here is to do with the inductance and capacitance of different antennas, and what happens, there's different antennas at different frequencies, and yeah, with different metal alloys and that. I don't quite understand it, that's why I'm doing it now before my test at 10:30 this morning. Then on Wednesday I have an electromagnetic compatibility practical, which is due. If you look at it over there, it's generating different plots and different polar and rectangular plots for different antenna dipoles and different antenna designs. It's not as interesting as it sounds, and you do get some very weird shapes occasionally. Thanks, James, for that lovely graph right there. But my graphs look like flowers and that, and so it's all good. And so that is due on Wednesday, alongside my computer engineering architecture practical 3, which is also due on Wednesday. We're demoing our system. We have to basically actually build a CPU. It's a lot less exciting than it sounds. We actually just have to design a whole lot of elements of a CPU, like an arithmetic logic unit, a control unit, and an assembler, which converts machine level instructions like move register 1 or add 6 to the accumulator and convert that into binary, and then that has to go and actually run on the CPU program that we're running on our DEO Nano sock board. I've shown it to you before. I'll just put a picture here because I'm too lazy to go grab it from the cupboard. So that's also due on Wednesday. And then on Friday, I have an IPI exam assignment due. That's that engineering professionalism module I've been doing. We have to do some kind of, it's actually our exam assignment because we don't have an exam for it. I haven't started it. We have to do some kind of project where we map out in the next couple of years and how of our career and how we might attain professional engineering accreditation, and kind of like a roadmap for ourselves for that. And then something else is due on Friday. What is it? Goodness, it's a bit dangerous. Oh, then the report for the computer engineering architecture practical is due at midnight on Friday night. Well, 23:59. And yeah, that's my week ahead. There's also computer engineering architecture class test next week Monday, but I will worry about that this weekend. It's a busy week of work. I'm not going to do much except sit at this desk here and graft, but it's good. My practical is two practicals are nearly finished. I just need a little bit of integration, it's a dangerous thing to say. So I'm looking forward to a good week of work. This is the last week of really hard practicals and assignments, because from next week, I think we've got 2.5 weeks left of lectures, and lectures are easy compared to practicals. So I'm just going to spend some time working on the lectures and that, catching up, getting ready for exams. My exam period is really chilled. I'm only writing 3 exams, and they're all spaced into like a week in the middle of the exam period, so I've got quite a bit of time to study before that rolls around. So not feeling too stressed for exams, just need to get through this week, and then the semester's nearly over, hey? Then back to this diagram over here, I've nearly finished an entire whole nother semester, so that'll be really cool, and I'm really looking forward to that. And the holiday ahead. I need some time off. But that's me. I'm going to get back to work, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Oh, this camera. Image quality. I'm looking at the screen over here, just in case you ever wonder why I'm not looking at you.